Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to talk about setting up a beautiful tank for our goldfish. Goldfish are wonderful pets and creating the perfect environment for them is crucial to their health and happiness. So let's get started. First thing, we need to choose the right tank size. Goldfish require a lot of space to swim and grow. As a general rule, allow 20 gallons of water for the first goldfish and an additional 10 gallons for each additional one. So, for 2 goldfish, a 30-gallon tank is ideal.
As a substrate, I use this natural aquarium sand. It's the Nile sand with natural white color. I think this sand will help bring a more natural look to our aquarium. Time to add our sand layer. Now it's time to build the rock face. I think these large smooth river stones will be perfect to our aquarium. They would give me that mountain look while also creating a beautiful natural environment for our fish. In addition to a filter, goldfish appreciate good oxygenation. An air pump and a stone will help increase oxygen levels in the water and keep our goldfish happy. So what I do now is stick the oxygen tube in a corner of the tank and bring it through the sand layer into the middle of the tank. After this, let's fill the tank with chlorine-free water. Add in your filter and wait for a few weeks because your aquarium needs to be cycled. Remember, goldfish can live for many years and can grow quite large. So providing a suitable and well-maintained tank is crucial for their health and well-being. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips on fish keeping. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in next video. Happy fish keeping!